Welcome to this video. Today we will learn about blog commenting in SEO and how it can help you improve your online visibility. Blog commenting means adding valuable responses or feedback in the comment section of blog post. It helps you engage with content and sometimes include a link to your website. There are two types of blog comments based on the type of link they allow. These are dofollow and nofollow blog comments. Blog commenting help in SEO by building backlinks, improving visibility, driving traffic, and establishing your authority in a niche. Choose blogs that are related to your niche. Read the article completely. Write a meaningful comment that adds value to the post. Do not post spammy or copied comments. Never use keywords as your name. Avoid linking on every comment. You can track blog commenting results using tools like Google Analytics or UTM Text to see referral traffic for each comment. Blog commenting has many benefits but also some drawbacks. Use it wisely and focus on quality, not quantity. To summarize, blog commenting is a free and simple way to build connections and earn visibility and grow your SEO when done properly. Thank you for watching. For more SEO tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.